How do I create pages from the web editor? When you're in the Straturo site, uh, the easiest way to create pages from the web editor, is to just go to where the NSF ends if you have an NSF. Sometimes some websites don't have the NSF. But whatever the final trailing word is where the site starts, you can just add the word admin. If you're already logged in, as I am in this case, I jump right into the editor. If you're not logged in, you'll get a login prompt, and you would use your normal Domino web login to get in. So once you get into the admin area, you can sort each column and jump to pages, so if you're sorting by ID or section. But if you want to create a new page, just click on the Create a New Page button. The title is required, and you have the web editor here. All the buttons on the web editor are customizable in the DB configuration. And again, this is TinyMCE web editor, so all the configuration settings are in the DB configuration. Now, you can't do everything on the web editor that you can do from the Notes client, but for basic pages, you have a lot of options here. If you don't want to show the title on the web or the subtitle, you can deselect or select those, which hides those things. You can also choose a category, so if you have product categories or news categories, you can choose those categories to make the page show up in the various blocks around. There's a date field for news specifically, and a brief summary if you have something that you want to show in a block and you want to show the abstract. That's where you would do it here. And then there's a sort number for numerical sorting. You can set the ID of the page, and that just means what's going to show up on the URL after this. So when you're viewing the page, it's just going to be the page's ID, and you want to make it with no spaces, which it says here. You pick what section it's a member of, and you just submit, and then you have that page now. If you want to re-edit, you'll have the edit link right there, so you might want to change the section, and now you're in the Contact Us section. So if you're already editing a page and you want to create a new page, obviously you would want to save what you have, but let's say you just click the edit again. There's a link over, or a tab for pages, which jumps you into all the pages, and then you can create a new page from there. So that's how to create a new page from the web editor.